In this video, we're going to learn how to record in Zoom and add it to our Brightspace classroom. Here's a few tips to remember before recording. Make sure you've connected and tested your microphone and your webcam, you've opened your PowerPoint presentation, and you've remembered to practice and rehearse your presentation. Please note, you will not be able to edit your video recording using Zoom, so rehearsing is very important. If you want to know more about Zoom, pause and take a look at this handout.
Please keep in mind, Brightspace has a limit on the file size that can be uploaded. Once you've started your Zoom meeting,
it will prompt you to this next screen and ask you to join your audio. Pick Join with Computer Audio and click it. Once you click here, navigate down to the bottom left-hand corner and you can see your different options for setting up a microphone. If you click through the microphone and click back on, it will turn the microphone on and off. Next on the bottom of the Zoom screen, you'll see the Start Video button. Again, you can click on the video to turn it on and off. To the right of the video, you'll see the caret where you can choose your webcam, so make sure you have the right webcam set up. Moving down on the Zoom bar, you'll see Manage Participants, which will show that you're the only one in there, as well as a button that says Share. By clicking the Share button, you'll be able to see all the possible screens you can share, but we'll get back to this more later on. The next area we're going to cover is Record. It's very important that you press this Record button when you're ready to record either your screen or your webcam, because this is how we're going to make sure that what you talk is actually recorded upon so you can upload it to Brightspace. So once you're all ready, you're going to click the Record button, and then you'll see up in the top left hand corner that we've begun recording. You'll also see an option for pause the recording and stop the recording, both on the top and on the bottom of the toolbar. So if your presentation requires that you're using your webcam, on the bottom of the Zoom screen you can turn it on and off by clicking the video. Additionally, this is where we can share our presentation by going to the middle of the bar on the bottom and clicking Share. Here, we're going to select the PowerPoint we want to share and then press Share. You know your screen is being shared because of the greenish yellow box around it, so talk until you're done going through all your slides. When you're done, hover over the top of your Zoom screen and click Stop Share. Next, we have to stop our recording by pressing the Stop Recording button. It will then take you back to this screen where you press End Meeting and click End Meeting for All. Now you'll see that your Zoom recording is being rendered, so this could take a few minutes depending on how long your presentation is. Once it's done, it'll automatically show you where your video file is going to be. You want to find the file that ends in .mp4 and save that to an accessible spot on your computer. Now I'm going to show you how to take the video file and upload to Brightspace. We now need to navigate to our assignment in Brightspace. Once you find your assignment, click on it. Now, you're going to click the Upload button and find your MP4 file. You'll see it's being uploaded, so it could take varying times depending on how long your video is. Once it's done, it'll show you that it's done, and you'll be able to click it and download it if you want, as well as leave your instructor a comment. Once you're done, click the Submit button. You can see now that your file has been successfully submitted to Brightspace.